Hey everyone, today we are going through SAT Mathematics Practice Test 1. I will break down each question, explain key strategies, and give tips to boost your score. Let's jump right in.
Hi, this is SAT Mathematics Practice Test 1 full discussion. If x minus 1 divided by 3 is equal to k, then what's the value of x? X minus 1 divided by 3 equals, here k is 3, and then we can cross multiply. X minus 1 equals 3 into 3 is 9, and then x equals 9 plus 1 equals 10. This is the answer. For second one, what's the sum? Here's a complex numbers calculation. 7 plus 3i. I will remove these brackets. Minus 8 plus 9i. We can add these 2 and these 2. 7 minus 8 is minus 1. 3 and here 3 plus 9i minus 1 plus 12i. Third one, Saturday afternoon, Aman sent M text messages each hour for 5 hours. So for 1 hour he sent M text messages, then for 5 hours he sends 5 into M. And Tyron sent P text messages per hour, then he sends totally 4 into P messages. Then we can add these two to get the total number of messages. It's 5M plus 4P. This. Go to fourth question. Kathy is a repair technician for a phone company. Each week she receives a batch of phones that need repairs. The number of phones that she has left to fix at the end of each day can be estimated with the equation. Okay, let's write the equation. P equals 108 minus 23D. So what's D? D is the number of days she has worked that week. So let's think what happened when D equals to 0. That means she had not worked even one day. That means this part becomes 0. Then P equals 108. So this should be Kathy starts each week with 108 phones to fix. Question 5. Just the simplification of an expression. So let's write it. X squared y minus 3y squared plus 5xy squared. Let's find out what are the similar terms. Here we can remove the brackets. Plus x squared y minus 3xy squared plus 3y squared. Can mark the similar terms, these two, also these two, and these two, and these two. Let's simplify. This plus this equals to 2x squared y, and we cancel out this 2, plus 5 minus 3 is 2xy squared. The answer should be C. Okay, question number 6. A pediatrician uses the model above to estimate the height h of a boy in inches in terms of the boy's age a in years between the ages of 2 and 5. Based on the model, what's the estimated increase in each inches of a boy's height each year? Okay, let's write down the equation. H equals 3a plus 28.6. In the next year, the equation will be changed as this: plus 1 plus 28.6. So if I remove the brackets, here is the equation 1, and the equation 2 should be h equals 3a plus 3 plus 28.6. So what's the difference between these two equations? It's 3. The answer should be 3. Then question number 7. The formula above gives the monthly payment M. Which of the following gives P in terms of M, R, and N? So let's treat this whole thing, whole denominator as a one block and the numerator as a one block, because we need to subject this P. Then simply we can cross multiply. Then M into 1 plus R divided by 1200 to the power n minus 1. This is the denominator block, and numerator comes down as another block. R divided by 1200 into 1 plus R divided by to the power n. Then this is P. Then the answer should be B. Question number 8. If A divided by B equals 2, then they're asking for 4B divided by A, and let's arrange this as 4 into B divided by A. Then what is B divided by A? It's 1 over 2. Then we can substitute it here. 4 into 1 over 2, it's 2. Answer is C. Question number 9. 3x plus 4y equals minus 23, and 2y minus x equals minus 19. Here we can multiply this equation 2 by 2. Then we get 4y minus 2x equals minus 38. This becomes equation 3. Then simply we can subtract equation 1 from equation 3. Then we get 3x plus 4y minus 2y minus x equals minus 23. Sorry, here it's 4y minus 2x equals minus 38, and this becomes, I will write down it here, 3x plus 4y minus 4y plus 2x equals 38 minus 23 is 15. We cancel out these two, and 5x equals 15, and then x equals 3. Is there any answer for this? Yeah. Then no need to calculate y. Okay, next question is asking for g4 and gx equals x squared plus 24. Here they have given the value of g4 as 8. We can use this to find the value of a, and after that we can substitute it here. g4 equals a 4 to the power 2 plus 24. Here g4 is 8, and here it is 16a plus 24, and 16a equals minus 16, and a is minus 1. Okay, then we need to find g minus 4. It's a minus 4 to the power 2 plus 24. Now we know a is minus 1, then minus 1 minus 4 squared is plus 16 plus 24. Here minus 1 into plus 16 is minus 16 plus 24. Then g minus 4 equals 24 minus 16, it's 8. Answer should be 8. Question number 11. They have given two equations, b equals 2.35 plus 0.25x and c equals 1.75 plus 0.4x. In the equations above, p and c represent the price per pound in dollars of beef and chicken respectively. X weeks after July 1 during last summer. Yeah. What was the price per pound of beef when it was equal to the price per pound of chicken? Okay. X weeks, P and C. P is for beef and C is for chicken. So they are asking what was the price per pound of beef when it was equals to, then P equals C. Then we can simply equal these two equations. Let me erase. Then 2.35 plus 0.25x equals 1.75 plus 0.4x, and 2.35 minus 1.75 equals 0.4 minus 0.25 whole thing into x. Here it is 0.15x and 1.35 minus 0.75 0 it's 7 and here it is 6 and 0.6. If we divide both sides by 0.15 we get x equals, also this is similar to 60 divided by 15 and it is 4. Then x equals to 4. Then they're asking for what is the price per pound of beef. Then from equation 1 p equals 2.35 plus 0.25 into x is 4. Here it is 1 and p equals the 2.35 plus 1 and it is 3.35. This is the answer. Okay. Question number 12. Let me erase the unnecessary things. Question number 12. A line in the xy plane passes through the origin. Origin means 0, point and has a slope of m equals 107 gradient. Which of the following points lies on the line? Then if a line passes through origin and its gradient is given, then you can write down the equation of that line is y equals mx plus c. Here since it passes through the origin, c becomes 0, then y equals mx and y equals 1/7. X is the equation. We separate these. Okay, then which of the following points lies on the line? If we substitute these each points on this in this equation, then it should satisfy this equation. So that we can get, if we substitute 0, then left side for a 7 equals 1/7 to 0, then we cannot get this. For c 7 equals 1/7 7, it's wrong. And for d also it's wrong, and for let's see, for b it's 7 equals 1/7 into x1. Oh yeah, cannot get this as well. Then what about d? Two equals 1/7 to 14. Then cancel out this. 2 is equals to 2. Then this should be the answer. Question number 12. Question number 13. If x is greater than 3. Which of the following is equivalent to this? We can simplify this expression. 1 over x plus 3, x plus 2, x plus 3 plus x plus 2, x plus 3, x plus 2, 1 over x plus 3 plus x plus 2 divided by x plus 2, x plus 3. And it becomes x plus 2 into x plus 3 divided by here x plus x is 2x plus 5. Then numerator is a quadratic function, and this should be the answer. Question number 14. If 3x minus y equals 12, what is the value of this? Let's write down x to the power x divided by 2 to the power y. Yes, we all know 2 is 2 to the power 3. Then substitute 2 to the power 3 x divided by 2 to the power y. Here we can write 2 to the power 3x divided by 2 to the power y. And this becomes 2 to the power 3x minus y. We know here it's 3x minus y equals 12, and this is 2 to the power 12. This is the answer. And question number 15. They have given an equation for all values of x and a plus b equals 8. What are the two possible values for c? Let's simplify the left hand side. abx squared plus 2bx plus 7ax plus 14 equals 15x squared plus cx plus 14. And it is abx squared plus 2b plus 7ax plus 14. Here this is left hand side, and AB should be 15, because these are the coefficients of x squared. Also we know that here a plus b equals 8, and if we get b equals 8 minus a and substitute it here, a into 8 minus a equals 15, then minus a squared plus 8a equals 15, ax squared minus 8a plus 15 is 0. So this is a quadratic equation. We can simply solve this, and a squared minus 3a minus 5a plus 15 is 0, a minus 3 and minus 5, minus 3 equals 0, then a minus 3 into a minus 5 is 0, then a is 3, o a is 5, and with the coefficients of x, can consider 2b plus 7a equals c, and 2b plus 2a plus 5a equals c, and instead of 2 into b plus a plus 5a equals c, instead of b plus a we can substitute 8. Here it is given as 8, then 8 into 2 is 16 plus 5a c. If a is 3, then we get c equals 16 plus 15 is 31, and if a equals 5, then we get 20 plus 25 plus 16 is 41, then the answer should be D. Question number 16. If t is greater than 0, t squared minus 4 is 3. And what is the value of t? And then 0. Then t squared minus 2 squared is 0. Then it is t minus 2 plus t plus 2, 0. Then t is 2, or t is minus 2. Okay, question number 17. They have given a sketch and they have given some values for lengths represented by AB, EB, BD and CD. Here AB is 1800, EB is 1400, BD is 700 and CD is 800. Also they have mentioned that angle AEB is equals to angle CBD. This is equals to this. So these are corresponding angles, and this is parallel to this, and triangle BCD and AEB are equal triangles, and with that the ratio of corresponding sides are equal. So CD divided by AE, these two are corresponding sides, and equals to BD. We have given BD, and what's the corresponding side for BD? And it should be the angle side between this angle and this angle. So it is this 1400. Here CD is 800 divided by AE. X PD is 700. So 700 over 1400 is 1 over 2 is equal to 800 over x, and x is 1600 feet. Equation number 18. According to the system of equations above, what is the value of x? They are asking for x. Then let's name these two equations as 1 and 2. Initially we multiply the first equation by 2 because we need to cancel out y. Then get 2x plus 2y equals minus 18. Then this becomes equation 3. So we can subtract equation 2 from equation 3. Then x plus 2y, subtract 2x plus 2y equals minus 25 minus 18. Then we get cancel out 2y values. X plus 2y minus 2x minus 2y equals minus 25 plus 18. Then minus x equals minus 7, and x equals 7. Question number 19. In a triangle, one angle measures x where sin x equals 4 over 5. If we draw the triangle, right angle triangle, then here x 4 5, and this angle should be 90 minus x, because the addition of these two interior angles of a triangle is equals to 180. Then this angle becomes 90 minus x. Then cos 90 minus x equals to 4 over 5. Last question of the day. A equals 5 root 2, and second equation 2a equals root 2x. If we get the square of both sides, 2a to the power 2 equals square root to the power 2 is 2x. Then here it is 4a squared is 2x. A squared is 25 into 2 is 50. Then we can divide both sides by 2. 2a squared is x, and x is 2 into a squared is 50, and x